A rainbow sandwich or classic pancakes? Pink pasta or a spicy taco? Watch Unicorn vs. Real Food Challenge in our new video. Unicorn is bored. What should she get up to today? She has already played all her usual games. What if she arranges a cooking challenge? It's time to call her friend. Mermaid used to be a regular girl, and now she will gladly go back to land in order to enjoy some earthly food. Location? Miss Gonzalez's magical restaurant. Mermaid is running late. Let's speed up the process. There you go. Everyone is here. Miss Gonzalez is so happy to see her friends. She will quickly prepare some culinary masterpieces for them. What's everyone's favorite dish? Pancakes! Miss Gonzalez is a first-class chef. She can make pancakes perform triple flips. Heart-shaped rainbow pancakes, unicorn style, are on the menu. Whip 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Put in 7 ounces of sour cream. Mix it. Add 7 tablespoons of flour. Pour a little vinegar in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and put this mixture in the batter. Divide the batter into parts, adding different food colorings to each. Pour it into Ziploc bags. Fry the pancakes on low heat using a non-stick pan without oil. Squeeze the colored batter into a fried egg mold one after another. Serve the pancakes with condensed milk. Miss Gonzalez brings out a rainbow delight. These heart pancakes are so beautiful, but it seems that Mermaid is not happy. She must want some food that's a little more regular. These unicorn pancakes are way too much. Miss Gonzalez quickly fixes the situation. She cooked traditional pancakes for Mermaid. How delicious is that? Mermaid is old-fashioned when it comes to pancakes. She loves regular pancakes the most. Each friend is eating her favorite treat. It's a tie, 1-1. Miss Gonzalez is ready to surprise the girls with Mexican food. A regular taco against a sweet star taco. Dissolve food coloring in water and color a tortilla with it. Use a spray bottle. Dry the tortilla in a microwave. Color and dry the other side the same way. Put colorful chewy candies and cotton candy onto it. Fold the tortilla to shape it like a taco. Decorate it with candies and confectionery decor. Sprinkle it with food glitter. How beautiful is that? This puffy taco doesn't look like food at all. You can even use it as a table decoration. But it's way too sweet for Mermaid. She still prefers a regular taco with vegetables or seaweed. And Unicorn thinks it's the best taco she's ever had. Nothing will ruin this amazing taste. It's a tie again. Mermaid enjoys regular food, and Unicorn chews on her rainbow taco. 2-2. The chef is thinking about how she could present a healthy dish to make it interesting. It seems like the muse of creative slicing came to her. While Mermaid is updating her friend on the latest sea news, Miss Gonzalez brings out a salad. Mermaid has a vegetable salad, and Unicorn has a creative one. Peel a carrot and slice it into circles. Slice a radish the same way. Cut cucumbers and cherry tomatoes into circles. Cut daikon into thin slices, and cut out flowers using a confectionery cutter. Cut stars and hearts from pieces of watermelon radish. Cut yellow tomatoes into big flowers. Place all the ingredients onto a plate. Add vegetable oil. Decorate it with radish microgreens. The friends get started on their healthy dishes. Mermaid's salad is a bit boring, but Unicorn has a vegetable picture on her plate. Mermaid also wants to taste some abstract culinary art. It's so unusual and healthy. Mermaid is ready to eat the entire serving. Help yourself! Unicorn's creative salad wins. Mermaid starts eating the vegetable flowers and stars so fast that she can barely see her fork. And Rainbow Food takes the lead, 3-2. It's time for your serious food. The friends can barely wait. Keep calm, girls. A magic sandwich awaits you. Cut a cucumber into thin slices lengthwise. Cut lettuce to be the same size as the cucumber. Cut red leaf lettuce the same way. Cut long slices of carrot. Cut a yellow bell pepper into rings. Divide 1/4 of red cabbage into leaves. Cut a tomato and a red onion into circles and half circles. Cut a beetroot into slices and cook it in a food steamer for 30 minutes. Add oil-based food coloring to warm butter. Place 1 layer of beetroot slices onto a plate and cover it with cheese. Do it one more time. This way the cheese will be colored with beetroot juice. Take a thin flatbread that's about the same size as a regular sandwich bread. Cover a slice of bread with colored butter. Put red leaf lettuce and cabbage on top. Then onion and lettuce. Add a layer of cucumber slices and pepper, carrot, and tomato. Put the slices of colored cheese on top and cover it with 1 more slice of bread. Wrap the sandwich in the flatbread. Unicorn's sandwich shines with all the colors of the rainbow. Mermaid's regular sandwich looks very boring in comparison. Unicorn crams down the rainbow sandwich. Mermaid also wants to taste it. Of course, she can eat the other half of the sandwich. Miss Gonzalez makes huge servings. This is so delicious. This rainbow sandwich wins Unicorn's and Mermaid's hearts. 4-2. Who's munching so loudly in the kitchen? It's the chef! She's taste testing her new dish. It's pasta called 50 Shades of Pink. Do your clients dream of tasting something unusual? Meet this satisfying pasta. Add food coloring to water in a slow cooker. Cook noodles in it. Use a spray bottle to add additional color to the pasta with purple food coloring. Add shades with a brush. Cut slices of apples with a cookie cutter. Sprinkle the pasta with pomegranate seeds and add slices of apples. Decorate the dish with a slice of lemon and squeeze some lemon juice into the pasta. Mermaid gets a famous pasta dish cooked according to an old recipe of an Italian grandma. And Unicorn gets pink noodles with yellow decorations. Let's try both of them. The Italian version looks nice. Good job, Grandma! But the pink pasta is still more delicious, and it looks modern and creative. Rainbow Food wins again, 5-2. Miss Gonzalez is up to something big. The kitchen is shaking with anticipation. And an extraordinary hot dog is born. Unicorns are very gentle creatures. They even need special fast food. This is why Miss Gonzalez cooked the most beautiful hot dog for her. Let's try it! Cook Romanesco broccoli in a slow cooker. Tear red leaf lettuce into pieces. Cut tomato into thin slices. Chop scallions. Cut the cooked broccoli. Add orange and purple food coloring to mayonnaise and mustard. Put the sauces into Ziploc bags. Make a triangular cut in a bun with seeds on top. Fill it with lettuce. Put in broccoli and tomato slices. Pour orange mayonnaise on top. Put in a sausage and decorate it with purple mustard. Sprinkle it with sweet corn and scallions. Mermaid's dish looks classy. It's delicious, but it's simple. And Unicorn's hot dog is like a rainbow mix. There's almost everything under the sun included in this recipe. What an unusual combination! Unicorn's taste buds are confused by this variety. Mermaid should try this unusual hot dog. She's a fan of hot dogs. She scarfs them down with both hands. She thinks all hot dogs are good. Rainbow food in this round turned out to be way too bright, even for Unicorn. So 1 point goes to regular food. And yet, Unicorn Food wins this challenge with a score of 5-3. Did you like our bright recipes? Then write in the comments which Miss Gonzalez dish you would like to taste. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new unicorn recipes on Troom Troom.